Today we will see about Vlan trunking protocol, VTP. So for that one I am taking one router, then 5 switches I am taking, example I am taking. Then I am taking 3 pieces for each switch. I am giving connections. Router switch to switches. I am giving switch to PCs. After giving connections, you have to do now we completed the giving connections. Now we have to give which by default all switches in server mode. Now we have to change. I will change. This is like server only. So I am changing to transparent. This switch I am changing to client switch. This switch I am changing to client. This switch also I am changing to client. How to change to server to client means on this one. Click on the first switch. Enable VTP. VTP mode. This one is server. Enter. Then VTP domain. I am giving example as TCS domain. Enter. Then exit. Now see here. We given VTP mode server. By default device mode is already in VTP server. After that we given domain as TCS. Now it's changed to null to TCS is changed. Then giving exit. So now this one this switch I am changing to transparent. Click on switch, click on command line, enable config terminal, VTP mode transparent. Enter. VTP domain TCS I am giving. Enter. Then exit. Now see this I given VTP mode transparent. VTP mode transparent. Now setting device to VTP transparent mode. Now we change it to transparent mode. These three switches I am changing to client. Click on switch, click on command line, enable config terminal, VTP mode, client, enter, VTP domain TCS I am giving, enter, then exit. Now this is also changed to client. Next switch, enable config terminal, VTP mode, client, VTP domain TCS I am giving, enter, then exit. Now last switch, click on switch, click on command line, enable config terminal, VTP mode, so now I'm changing to client, then VTP domain TCS I'm giving, enter, and exit. Now this switch is in server mode, this switch in client mode, this switch in transparent mode, these two switches in client mode. After that, we have to give trunk ports. Trunk to means to, if you want to communicate from one network to another network, you need to give. So in first switch, on switch to router I'm giving. In first switch I'm giving. Click on switch, config terminal. That interface you have to take. That interface is F0/1. Here is the I am connecting from switch to router. So this interface you have to take. That interface is interface FA0/1. Interface FA0/1. Enter switchboard mode trunk. Then switchboard trunk allowed VLAN all exit. Now this same we have to give. We have to give for from switch to switch. We need a connection trunk port. So I'm giving interface F0/2. Enter switchboard mode trunk. Enter switchboard trunk allowed VLAN all. Enter and exit. Exit. Now in transparent side also you have to give that interface is interface F0/3. Enter switchboard mode trunk. Enter switchboard trunk allowed VLAN all. Enter then exit. Now in this switch we have to give in this down set to communicate with these PCs. So click on switch, config terminal, interface F0/ that one is this interface is F0/2. Enter switchboard mode switchboard trunk allowed VLAN all then exit. Now we given this side also. Now you have to give this transparent you have to give this both ends. Then only it will communicate. Config terminal interface F0/1. Enter switchboard mode switchboard trunk allowed VLAN all. Now we have to give to the another end also. That is interface F0/2 switchboard mode switchboard trunk allowed VLAN all then exit. Now we completed the port also. Now we have to give VLAN. So in server mode, in server we can create VLAN. In transparent also we can create VLAN. But in client mode we are unable to create VLAN. So we'll try to create VLAN in client mode. We'll check it. So VLAN 10 I'm giving. Enter. So see here VTP VLAN configuration not allowed when device is client mode. In client modes we are unable to give it, but in transfer mode and server mode we can able to create VLAN. So here I am creating in transfer. In server I am creating VLAN. So here I am creating VLAN 10. Enter name IT I am giving. Enter then exit. Like this I am creating 3 VLANs. VLAN 10 created. Now I am creating VLAN 20. Name HR I am creating. Then exit. I am creating VLAN 30. Enter name I am giving here. I am giving sales. Enter exit. Now I created 3 VLANs. The switch. Now we have to create VLANs in transparent also. VLAN 10 I am creating VLAN 10. Name ID. Enter then exit. Creating 3 VLANs. VLAN 20. Name HR. Exit. Now I'm creating VLAN 30. Name sales. Enter then exit. Now we created VLANs in server and transparent. we are unable to create VLANs in clients. So now we have to access the VLAN. So this PC want to access VLAN 10, this PC want to access VLAN 20, this PC want to access VLAN 30. How to click on switch interface. First PC interface is that is F04 interface F0/4. Enter switch port mode axis, switch port axis VLAN. That VLAN number is 10. We created 3 VLANs now, 10, 20, 30. So first PC I am attaching to VLAN 10. Enter, then exit. The second PC I am attaching to the VLAN 20. That interface is interface F0/5. Enter. Switch port mode axis. Switch port axis VLAN. For 20 VLAN I am attaching this PC. Enter. Then exit. Now I am attaching third PC to VLAN 30. Interface F0/6. Enter. Switch port mode axis. Switch port axis VLAN 30. Enter. Then exit. Like this, we have to attach for first PC VLAN 10, second PC VLAN 20, third PC VLAN 30. I am attaching in clients and as well as server and transparent activity. So interface F0/ PC interface is F0/3. Enter. Switch port mode axis, switch port accessing VLAN 10, then exit. Second PC interface is F0/4. Enter. Then switch port mode axis, switch port axis VLAN 20. Enter. Then exit. Third PC's interface is interface F0/5. Enter. Switch port mode axis. Enter. Then switch port axis VLAN 30. Enter. Then exit. Now we given in transparent also. Now we have to give in client. Interface F0/3. Enter. Switch port mode axis, switch port axis VLAN 10. Enter. Then exit. Second PC's interface is interface F0/4. Enter. Switch port mode axis. Enter. Switch port axis VLAN 20. Enter. Then exit. The third PC is interface F0/5. Enter. Switch port mode axis. Enter. Switch port axis VLAN 30. Enter. Then exit. Next, switch and giving in config terminal. Interface F0/ first PC interface is F0/2. Enter. Then switch port mode axis. Enter. Then switch port axis VLAN 10. Enter. Then exit. Second PC interface is interface F0/3. Enter. Switch port mode axis. Enter. Switch port axis VLAN 20. Enter. Then exit. Third PC is interface F0/4. Enter. Switch port mode axis. Switch port axis VLAN 30. Enter. Then exit. In last client all we have to give. Click on switch. Enter. Config terminal. Interface. The first PC interface is F0/2. Enter. Switch port mode axis. Enter. Then switch port axis VLAN 10. Enter. Then exit. I am giving interface F0/3. Enter. Switch port mode axis. Enter. Switch port axis VLAN 20. Enter. Then exit. For third PC interface is interface F0/4. Enter. Switch port mode axis. Enter. Switch port axis VLAN 30. Enter. then exit. Now we given access to all PCs also. Now we have to give in router we have to give IP address. So here I am taking click on router, click on command line. Now enable config terminal. But here only one lane is there, so you have to divide it into three sub interfaces. So first we have to go to the interface, main interface, GAG 0/0, enter. No IP address you have to give. No IP address, enter. And no shutdown, enter. Then exit. Then interface GAG 0.1. If you give 0.1 means then GAG 0/0.1, then it will turns to sub interface. Now see config hyphen sub interface. Now it's turned to sub interface. Now I have to give IP address. Interface GAG, then encapsulation dot 1q, then 10, enter. Then IP address 192.168.1.1. Subnetting mask is 255.255.255.0. This is /24. Enter, then exit. Now here one IP address is created. Like this, you have to create it for three VLANs. We have to create a 3 IP address. That is next one is sub interface. Interface GAG 0/0.2. Enter. Then encapsulation dot 1q20. Then IP address is 192.168.2.1. Subnetting mask is 255.255.255.0. Enter. Then exit. Now we have to give for third interface. Third sub interface. Interface GAG 0/0.3. Enter. Then encapsulation dot 1q space 30. Enter. Then IP address 192.168.3.1 space 255.255.255.0. Enter. Then exit. Now we created three sub interfaces: 192.168.1.1, 1.1 we created, 2.1 we created, 3.1 we created in the same router. This is sub interfaces. Now we have to give DHCP pool. If you give DHCP pool, then you will assign IP address like PCs. On all PCs we can assign IP address through DHCP pool. So in DHCP pool, click on router, IP DHCP pool. You can take any number, example IP space DHCP pool space, example I am taking 10, you can take any number. Then network 192.168.1.0 network I am taking. Then subnetting mask is 255.255.255.0, that is /24 subnetting mask, and enter. Then default router one is 192.168.1.1, enter. Then exit. Here one DHCP pool is assigned. So we have to check for, we have to do for second DHCP pool. IP space DHCP space pool space 20 I'm giving, enter. Then default router network, first you have to give network 192.168.2.0, subnetting mask is 255.255.255.0, enter. Then default router is 192.168.2.1, enter. Then exit. I am creating for Vlan 30 DHCP pool interface IP space DHCP pool space 30, enter. Network 192.168.3, this is 3.0 network, enter. Then default route is 192.168.3.1, enter. Then exit. Now we assign IP DHCP pool. Now we have click on PC, click on desktop, click on IP configuration. Once you enable DHCP pool only, then it will show. Now see 1.2 is assigned here. Click on SPC, click on desktop, IP configuration, DHCP. Like this you have to enable for all PCs. Then only if DHCP will assign. See, click on this PC, click on desktop, IP configuration, DHCP. Like this, automatically we can assign through the router. Here 2.3 is assigned. PC desktop IP configuration, DHCP pool 192.168.3.3. 1.4 here assigned. 2.4, 3.4, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 1.6, 2.6. Here 192.168.3.6 is the same. Now we have to give any protocol, then only it will communicate. First we will check without protocol, send the packets from one network to another network. It may be failed. This is 1.0 network, this is also 1.0 network. That's why it's communicating. So another network it won't communicate. Now we have to give protocols. Router rip, enter. Version 2 I am taking. Version 2, enter. Then network 192.168.1.0 network. One is 2.0 network. One is 3.0 network, enter. Then exit. If you give any routing protocol, then example here I am giving router rip protocol. Now send from any PC to any PC, it will communicate successfully. This is Vlan trunking protocol. What are the steps you have to follow? First you have to give VTP mode, you have to give. Then trunk you have to give. Then you have to create VLANs. Create VLAN. Then we have to access that VLANs. Access the VLAN. Then you have to give this and all we give in switches. Now we have to give in routers. What and all we have to give? IP address we have to assign. Then DHCP pool. Otherwise you can assign statically also. Statically also you can assign IP address to PCs. protocol you have to do. Yeah, that's it. This is VLAN tracking protocol. I'm stopping the recording.